Welcome to Cueline Sports Training Aid for snooker, billiards, 9 and 8-ball pool. With this simple device and some practice, you can lift your Cue Sports game to the next level. With this simple training aid, you'll be able to find your true sight line and aim where your eyes are focusing. Resolve your one-eye dominance for better aiming. Develop a true, smooth and straight cue action. Use your mobile phone to record and rectify any bad habits. Benefit from unique optometry. Plus, you don't even need a sports table to get started. A kitchen or dining table is best. Like all sports, having an accurate shot takes knowledge of your body mechanics, know-how and lots of practice. Cueline Sports will provide you with correct aiming technique, perfect framework for cue alignment, cue action and follow through, so you practice with perfect technique every time. So how does all this work? Once you received and unbox your Cueline Sports Training Aid, assemble the aid as seen here. By following the instructions, you'll be able to work out if you are one-eye dominant or whether you use both. As every shot is a straight shot, understanding how your eyes work during the aim greatly improves your game by eliminating bad habits. Now, your cue action needs attention. Using the mirror or the option to record on your smartphone, you'll be able to correctly adjust for a true, straight, smooth cue action. Eliminate bad aiming, develop a smooth, straight cue action. Take your Cueline Sport to the next level with the Cueline Sports Training Aid. Add to your cart now to lift your game.